Hi everybody, this is Don Reedy. I'm here at the El Camino Country Club with Andrew Aguiar, and he's a reverse mortgage specialist. Andrew, okay, I don't understand reverse mortgages, I suppose most people. Give us a quick rundown on what a reverse mortgage is, like who qualifies for a reverse mortgage?
A reverse mortgage is designed for seniors that are 62 and older, that own a home, that have a portion of the equity available to refinance and pay off their home mortgage.
Okay, what's the primary reason that somebody would do a reverse mortgage?
Well, the primary reason a senior would consider a reverse mortgage is to pay off their current mortgage on the property, thus not allowing them to make a mortgage payment going forward.
So I can actually get a reverse mortgage and never have to make another payment on my property?
Yes.
Wow, that's pretty powerful. What's the cost to do that? Doesn't it cost a lot of money? I hear it costs a lot of money to do a reverse mortgage.
The fees on a reverse mortgage are not expensive. However, there are fees involved. For a senior to consider a reverse mortgage, they have to understand that we are paying off their mortgage debt. So they are not going to be making a mortgage payment going forward for as long as they live in the home. Let's say their mortgage payment is $1,000 a month, and the fees for the transaction are $15,000. Within the first year of them not making a mortgage payment, they're going to save $12,000. So within the first 2 years, they're actually going to be making money by doing the reverse mortgage transaction. So that's how we rationalize the fees for this transaction.
Okay, and so I see. So really what we're talking about here is, and remember, as you mentioned earlier, if the senior has really a lot of times don't have access to a lot of capital. They're not making a lot of money a month. Maybe it's Social Security or whatever it is. So this is a way where no money comes out of their pocket, and it doesn't come out at the beginning either, does it? The fees that we're talking about comes directly from the equity they already have in the home. Is that correct?
Don, that is correct.
Excellent.
All the fees for the transaction come out of the equity of the home. So there's no cash up front all the way through the transaction.
So, if I was going to get a home equity loan, I would still pay fees, right? I'm going to pay the bank. So here we're going to pay the same kind of fees, but unlike the home equity loan, again, I'm sort of repeating myself, but just making sure I understand, we're not going to pay that equity loan back because that's we just don't pay it back, correct?
Exactly, Don.
Perfect.
Most people, they get a home equity loan to give them cash, so essentially they can use that money to supplement their current income situation and pay that loan back. Whereas a reverse mortgage, because there's no payments involved and we're actually paying debt off, it's a win-win for the senior.
Okay. Okay, Andrew. Hey, let's. How about explain a little bit about how this HECM purchase works? You got an example of that?
I do. Let's say we have a senior that owns a home that's worth $500,000. They have a $200,000 loan on the property. They sell it. They walk away with $300,000. They want to buy a $400,000 property to consolidate their lifestyle, and they put $200,000 down on it. The balance of that note is going to be $200,000, which will be paid in full by the benefits from the reverse mortgage. So the senior buys a home that's worth $400,000, and they don't have a mortgage payment on the property.
No mortgage payment?
No mortgage payment.
Wow. So in other words, somebody could, under that scenario, somebody could actually buy a home, use some of the money from the home that they just sold, right, and never have to make another payment as long as they live
As long
there?
as they live in that home,
Wow.
They are required to maintain the property taxes and the homeowner's insurance, and that is it.
Wow, that's fabulous.
It is fabulous. It's a new program that was brought to basically ensure the seniors have a place to go, and it's a benefit that the government is looking for to help the seniors going forward.
Fabulous. It's great talking to you. This is, again, this is Don Reedy. I'm in with Andrew Aguiar, and if somebody wants to get a hold of you, how do they do that?
Don, the best way to get in touch with me is through my email or my direct phone number. My email is aaaaguiar@aol.com, or call me direct at 619-520-9725.
Thanks. Okay, hey everybody, listen. Reverse mortgage is it's not for you if you're 18, but if you're 62 or older, this is something you want to look at. Andrew really knows what he's talking about. Give him a call, and hey, thanks for talking to us today. Okay.
My pleasure, Don.
Okay, buddy.